Door installation with visible top track. Install the top track in a parallel line with the upper front edge of the cabinet. Place the bottom track 16 mm from the bottom front edge of the cabinet. It can be fixed with double-sided tape or any other convenient solution. Insert the door into the top track. Lower the door while inserting the bottom rollers into the bottom track's omission. To adjust the door vertically, tighten or untighten the adjustment bolt of the bottom roller. The roller has anti-jumping springs which prevent the wheel from jumping out of the track. After adjustment, fix the screw nut. Install polymeric insert strip on the vertical profile. It can be stuck to the front or back edge, or on the center of the profile. It is sufficient to install polymeric insert strips for the external doors to prevent dust from coming in. For positioning the door, use soft closers or top rail positioners. You can also check the related installation video, link in the description below. You can also use a silicone strip for the bottom tracks in the Nova system for a smoother movement of the doors. Link to installation video can also be found in the description below. Check the door. It should fit tightly against the walls of the cabinet. It should move smoothly and quietly along the tracks.